climate risks for Braga are increasing due to the generalised rise in the average annual temperature, varying temperatures and evapotranspiration, together with a decrease and higher concentration of average annual rainfall. These trends are associated with heat waves, drought, flooding, landslides, extreme weather events, and forest fires. To mitigate the impact of climate change, Braga has developed a series of initiatives to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The municipality is committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 55% by 2030, and from there continue on a path towards carbon neutrality. Braga has been a pioneer by developing a sustainable urban mobility plan, which places a priority on pedestrian circulation, cycling and public transport, for which the municipality has developed physical transformations of public spaces. The council has promoted the Braga Business Mobility Pact that was launched with 38 organisations. Around 60% of the fleet of the Transportes Urbanos de Braga has already been replaced, with 25 buses powered by natural gas and 43 electric buses. An additional investment has already been made to purchase 40 more electric vehicles by 2030. The future bus rapid transit system, which represents an investment of €100 million, will further increase the use of public transport. For private electric vehicles, Braga currently has 40 electric charging stations. Mobility alternatives have been reinforced since 2019 with shared scooter and electric bicycle services. The school bus project transport pupils in free buses, which currently serve 8 schools. The service will be available to the municipality's overall school community in the next 2024-25 school year. The historic centre includes an exclusively pedestrian zone, which will soon be extended, and a public pedestrian network that ensures mobility for all. The I Already Pass Here project has made it possible to identify situations that affect citizens' mobility, and the city's streets are already being remodelled to ensure that there are continuous, obstacle-free passageways for people with reduced mobility. There is a rapidly expanding cycling network which is expected to reach 76 kilometres by 2025. The overall aim is to improve the quality of life and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Braga is the headquarters of several renewable energy companies. In the city centre, the municipality has installed photovoltaic modules in the car park of the Braga Fire Brigade station. The municipality provides a digital platform that allows citizens to calculate the savings and returns on investments on installing solar panels and green roofs. The municipality of Braga is part of the Batteries 2030 consortium, which focuses on the development of technologies applied to the batteries of the future and their transfer to the urban environment, which includes living laboratories for decarbonisation. The municipality has replaced LED lamps in street lighting, which will cover 90% of all lighting by 2025. The municipal programme to combat energy poverty aims to renovate buildings, thereby reducing their energy bills and ecological footprint. Actions have been promoted to encourage energy performance and decarbonisation in industry. Braga won the prestigious 2022 European Mobility Week Award. The European project Reactivity compensated 500 participants who opted for alternatives to private cars. The Step Up project encourages citizens to walk instead of using a car. The municipality has also promoted the My School is Efficient campaign in schools with the help of the mascot called Popus or Savings. The Municipal Climate Action Plan includes an in-depth analysis of climate risks, which are being translated into the Municipal Civil Protection Emergency Plan. Ongoing initiatives include creation of the new Parque das Camélias, which serves as a living laboratory for adapting to climate change and to study and experiment with solutions for sustainable water management and green roofs. The rehabilitation of other green areas, such as the Monte Picoto and Parque da Ponte. The Caring for Braga project, which helps clear land to prevent forest fires. The Sacramontes Intermunicipal Programme, a pioneering initiative involving the municipalities of Braga and Guimarães, the regularization and renaturalization of bodies of water, in particular the rivers Este and Torto, and the Castro and Panoias streams. Planting native plant species that are more resistant to drought and fire. The Afforestation Plan implemented between 2014 and 2023, and the weather warning system and respective control measures to minimise damage caused by climate change. Braga is thereby a municipality at the forefront of climate action that daily reaffirms its commitment to making the territory more reactive and resilient to climate change.